Hi families, it's Mr. Watson with today's brief math video tutorial to help you get through tonight's homework. We're talking today about lesson 4.9, and what we want the children to understand is the idea of numbers combining to make a larger number, or parts of a whole. So you're going to see a frame set up like this tonight, and you'll hear problems like this. Hannah has 14 pencils, Jared has 13 pencils. How many pencils do they have? And the kids have to be able to understand that those two numbers are going to get put together. So in this frame up, you would put one of the numbers, one of the parts numbers, in the first square. So Hannah and her 14 pencils would go here, and Jared and his 13 pencils would go here. And right now we're working on addition, so all of their math problems have to be addition problems. So their next step is to come up with a number sentence, and a number sentence is simply a math problem. So for this one, they're going to want to come up with, well, in order to find the answer, I need to do 14 plus 13. And as we now know, this is double-digit addition, so we're going to have to set that up and do it vertically to get the answer. We add the ones column first. It's less than 9, we don't have to regroup. We add the tens column, it's 2. So look at all these different places where 27 goes. 27 goes here, 27 goes here, and 27 goes here. Okay? And the idea visually being that these two parts come together to make 27. The other kind of problem that you will see tonight are problems where they leave one of the parts out but give you the whole. So, let me get this erased real quickly here. You might say that Sheila has 5 crayons and there are 12 crayons on the table. How many crayons did Jenny bring? So Sheila had 5 crayons. There are 12 crayons on the table. How many crayons did Jenny bring? What we need to do is, again, the kids need to come up with an addition sentence with something blank. And we were doing that today. We were creating number sentences that left something blank. And we don't want them jumping right to 12 minus 5 just yet. We want them to be thinking, we would almost call it in an algebra way. So what we want is 5 plus blank equals 12. And we want them thinking about what would you add to 5 that would get you to 12. And if they're doing things the way we want, they're thinking about their doubles, where 6 plus 6 is 12. And if you move one of the pieces over from a 6 to the other side, you would wind up with 5 plus. Hopefully they will remember that that should be 7. So you'll have a 5 plus 7 there, and 5 plus 7 there. So the keys tonight are having them identify when they're dealing with the whole of something versus the parts of something, understanding where those pieces go, and how to put together a number sentence that will help them solve it. I know it's a little tricky, but again, it is another way for them to visualize the addition that we're trying to get them to do. Okay? I hope this helps, and we'll see you tomorrow at school.